I said it's hot. Guys, that's our carrot cake. That is how our carrot cake looks like. Yummy, yummy. So I want to take with my strong tea. Suturungi, suturungi. Ingredients. This is salt, this is sugar, this is oil, carrots, eggs, milk. Hey wonderful people, hey lovely people, welcome again, welcome to this vlog. To my returning premium gang, I appreciate you, much love. So as you can see, this is one of the nights, and I usually just prepare something for breakfast, and today I decided to prepare some carrot cake at night. So let's go. It's just something very simple and quick to fix. So first of all, what I usually use, you've seen, I just have like simple and easy ingredients which are available in my kitchen. So first of all, I usually use I add sugar, then I add with oil, with eggs, then I blend them together. After blending, this shows you guys that I don't have a mixer, but I improvise because I've just noticed that using blender also simplify my work. So I hope you can also learn and try this tip. If you don't have a mixer, come along and just try using whatever you have in your kitchen. So here is me trying to make this carrot cake, and let's see how it goes. And something funny, I don't measure my ingredients, but I use my eyes. That's what I can say, because it's something I'm used to making. So I just I see what is required, then I do what, and I just measure using my my eyes. I hope you know what I mean when I say I measure using my eyes. So let's go and enjoy the process and learn, watch and learn as we go. So
say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guys, by now I know you've noticed something. So while recording this video, I just after doing the recording and all that, while now going on what I was doing, I just realized and noticed that I didn't place my camera correctly. So you people could not even be able to see like inside what is going on, like inside. You could not be able to tell, okay, and be able to see my mixture. Sorry for that, guys, but I hope you understand. As I tell you, I'm just making like a kienyeji mixture. So at this point, my baby had just woken up, baby Shine. These are one of the days I did this vlog when I didn't have like a house help or a nanny, so it was only me and Saint and the baby. So the baby was just sleeping on his Moses basket. So I had to go and attend to the baby, then come back. Okay, come back and do what? Continue with my process, like continue with the as in mixing my carrot cake and all that. So these are just motherhood challenges, some of the things we go through. These are just behind the scenes, and I could not even let this pass you without showing you that I went for a break without coming back to continue with my process. So let the process continue. Let's go, guys. So on to our next process. Here I was preheating my oven. I usually put it at 250 degrees since my oven it's not that very hot. But if ovens are different, so but the normal heat or the preferred heat that you're supposed to use in baking this particular type of cake, it's usually recommended at 180. But for me, since my oven is not that hot, I usually use uh, a temperature of 250 degrees. So enjoy the process. I'm almost through. I hope you can see how my mixture looks like at the moment. I'm trying to just show you how it's coming through. See how it looks. See how that is the way it looks, guys. And on to the next thing that I did. Thing that I did was to, like, these are my sufurias, the ones I don't have the, like, baking tins. So what I'm going to use is just to I'm greasing my sufuria so that my cake does not stick. So what I usually use, I used Prestige. I smear Prestige and then I sprinkle flour. So that's the process what I'm doing, as you can see. Then they are ready. As I told you, in this channel I just show you people real and raw, no sugar coating, no what. This is how I do it. This is me. I'm so real, no sugar coating. I usually use my sufurias, but just make sure your sufurias are not light. They are not light, they are heavy enough. And then make sure that they have like flat bottoms. That's what I usually check. And it will be good, it will be perfect. Yeah, so don't be so complicated and be like, no, you cannot bake without baking tins, you cannot do this. Just use whatever you have in your kitchen. Try using improvise of anything that you have in your kitchen. You can do it, you can also do it, and you can also save a lot instead of buying you see these things like carrot cake. These things are not, they have like big names, but they're usually not very complicated. They are simple things, easy peasy, guys. There, our mixture is ready. The mixtures are ready. I divided them into two, so we're going to have two cakes, and we are ready. Our oven was also preheated, so let the process begin. The cooking process, that is. Let's wait, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's wait for the outcome. Let's wait for our carrot cakes and see how it goes. I know it's going to be yummy, 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 yummy. On to my next commercial break. So this is me. I was eating, I break another break. I'm eating my dinner as I wait for our cake. At this point, I had to go and check how it's going on, how it's coming through. So I usually use, there's a wooden stick. I usually use a thin one just to prick inside to make sure the cake is ready. So when you dip it inside, when you just dip it inside like that, and it comes in like very dry, you'll be able to tell if it's cooked or not cooked. If it's not cooked, you're going to see the wet flour, what the wet dough, how should I call it, the wet mixture. But if it comes out dry, it means that that particular cake is cooked and it's ready. So as you can see, mine are almost, the first one was ready actually. I mean, this is the second one I was checking. So I had to just put it back a little bit because I just realized it's not ready. And voila, our carrot cakes are ready. They're ready, guys. Hope you've learned the process, and this is how the cakes look like. I'm enjoying my breakfast now. This was the next day. This is how it looks. Check it out. These are our carrots, and I was enjoying with my strong tea over here. Hope you've learned, and you can also try this out and tell me the feedback. What do you think? It was soft, by the way. It was very soft. And also another secret is that after they've cooled down, I usually put them, like wrap them on a foil. You see the on a cling, like the cling foil, the way I've done, so that they don't dry. Make sure you don't just, after the cake has cooled down, don't leave it open just like that. Try wrapping it. The cake. Saint is testing the cake. Tell us how the carrot cake looks like. Tastes like, I mean. It looks...
Yummy.
Nomekatu kwa mdomo, then you're saying, yeah. How is it, brother? How is it, bros?
Test it.
Hey, how is it?
Good.
So try it, but it's dry. What will you drink? You'll pour my baby's milk. It's like ugali. Okay, Saint, you need to leave for shine this shot. This shot is tiny. It's too tight. Even the pockets are out. Hey, God. The other side, the pockets are just out, hanging. Your pockets are hanging. You've worn your t-shirt for East Coast t-shirt for Kitengela what? International. Even they're watching Jesus cartoon. Jesus! It was for who? For
the angels.
For the angels. You can go keep these things for slime. You return everything. If it backfire now, we are going to use a hand wash. Not hand wash. That was the strawberry thingy. Hey guys, welcome again. Welcome to this vlog. So today I'm just going to take you, not even to take you through, but I'm just going to show you how we usually use our washing machine. I'm going to show our new house help how to use that, the machine. I hope you can see it. The Von, it's a semi-automatic, so it's at the balcony. So I just want to take you through all the process on how to use this specific machine, how it works. It's the semi-automatic one, 10 kgs. Yeah, so let's go through the process. Come along with us and enjoy the vlog. Come and take the dog for a walk. Come and take the dog for a walk. And now is it doing woo woo? That sound. Take him. Kuichukua. Sasa unakimbia tisko. So this is the way the Von is, the Hotpoint. Von Hotpoint, that is the model number. It's a 10 kg machine, and this is the way it looks like. Generally, this is the way the wash tub looks like that. It has a pretty much big space, and then this is the draining part. The draining part looks like that. So it's smaller. This is not actually for 10 kgs when drying your clothes, yeah. And this plastic thing, though, you bear with me as we've already spoiled ours, so it's not that perfect. Like, we don't have the plastic one. We use this one for draining. I'll just show you how it goes. This is what we usually use, but I'll show you how it goes. So for the socket, you put it there, then you switch it on. Then I have for putting in the water, this is what my pipe, my dog has even eaten the pipe already, but this is what we use if you want to fetch water in it. That is the pipe I use for water. Yeah, okay, that is what we use. This is how we put it. Water is coming from there. Water is coming from the tap there. Yeah, so this is the water where I've connected it from the tap to there. That is the way it works. Cisco move. Alafu we have this toka tu wachana tunayo. Wacha tu yanguke. Haya, so for the drainage, this is my pipe. I've just connected it there. You can see the water is coming out. I've connected. And then washer. We have this washer. We have the drain button. The washer button, drain, and then the spin. So for washing, if you want like for 3 minutes, you press until there, like that. Yeah. You press and you can see what is happening. You can see the way it's rolling. So if you want for 3 minutes, you press there. Just turn it back. This depends with how your clothes are it depends with the type of material of the clothes you are washing. We have gentle and we have normal. And then the drain button. Drain button means if you drain, it means the water is draining. Like now it's on the drain button. You can see the water is draining. So we are going to use normal. We are washing East Coast clothes. They are very dirty from school, so I'm using normal. Then I have my timer. This is timer for spinning. When I'm spinning the clothes after washing, we'll show you how it goes. So let the process begin. So the first process, sort hizo manguo. Sort hizo zinaosha hizi zenye ziko hapo tu hiyo. So first process is sorting our clothes. So those are the clothes we have. Kwanza si hata hivyo. We are fetching water. First process is fetching water. Yeah, we are fetching water. That is the first process. So first is what? Fetching our water. And you can see we have where it's supposed to be reaching. If you can see the levels. We have different levels. Yeah, I think this is the maximum point where the water, the M, so it should not pass until higher side. I'll do it maximum until there. I think this is ready. Our water, that's okay, the level is okay. For Nini, so we put, next process is putting soap. Yeah, put soap. Next process is putting the soap, powder soap, put again. Let us see how much you are remaining with. Soap yetu inaisha, that's enough. Alafu, what do you do next? I have to spin so that your soap in. I'm spinning for like 3 minutes. I'm mixing the soap with water. And let me just do this. Then you close water. Funga maji. You close water. Right. Next is sorting our clothes. Those are our clothes. Chukua manguo weka. Saint, move. I'm doing a video. Move. So putting our clothes here. We are just mixing them. Hizi ni za shule mtu wa boarding, so no, we don't have pangilio here, but you have to sort your clothes according to white. White goes with white. Then bring that the nini. Tulisema tunaosha bed cover na Macintosh. Na hiyo soap pia unaacha tunaosha. Eka kwa machine. Eka wash. Sijui kama hiyo kitu itaribika ama. I'm not so sure about washing this thing in the washing machine. I've never tried it. Why? So for hours I'll spin. Mamkonga. Why is he crying? So I'll put our spinner to 15. So that is the way it goes. It will go. Alafu sasa tunaacha yenyewe tu itanini. Tutaosha, tutakuja kufanya. So this is our first washing. This is the way the clothes look like. Sasa itakuwa ku drain. So we are going to drain the water. Drain. Drain. And so we are just draining. If you press on drain automatically, and me, I removed this. Let me show you guys. I removed this thing so that water can drain nicely. So that is the way I drain my water from the washing machine. My drain goes like that. So you press on drain, then you can see the way the clothes were dirty. These were for my son's clothes, the one who is in boarding school. The water is dirty like that. The clothes were this dirty. And then we're just going to do second washing. After draining, unaangalia tu na hapa. Maji kiisha hapa inamaanisha maji imeisha ndani. Hii maji chafu. Hapa sasa unafanya nini? Utafunga. Ukishafunga hapo, unafunga kwa drain, unachota tena maji safi, unaweka hiyo part nyingine. Shine, I'm here. So this is our last washing. This is the way the water looks like. So the next step is putting them here. So una rinse ukiweka hapo. Una rinse ukiweka hapo. Kama kutoka hapo ukiweka hapo. Tunataka kukausha. We want to dry them clothes. Hata si nini. Toa tu. Ukiweka. Toa tu ukiweka. Bora tu ziachane. Hivyo. Hivyo. Nataka tunaizungusha ikauke. Isko, bring the blue bucket now. Hizi nguo zako zinafaa tu sabuni inanukia kabisa. But azinuki susu sasa, si ndio? Si zote zitaingia hapo, zingine zitabaki. Zingine uache sasa tutafanya second round. Ya sasa hivyo. Sasa hapa hii kitu lazima ifunikwe. Isipofunikwa hii kitu kizunguka manguo zinaingia huku chini. So lazima nguo unaweka alafu unafunga like that. Unafunga alafu you close here. Sasa tunazikausha. Then bring it mpaka kwa 5. Inatoa sasa sasa tutafanya hivi the first round, then the second round again. Sasa tunatoa unanika, itakuwa imekausha. Unaona nini? Inatoa hiyo maji, itakuwa imezikausha kiasi. Sasa tunaweka tu hapa ikauke completely. Sasa si lazima hizi zipelekwe nje. Hizi nadhani tutapeleka tu. Hizi tutanika tu hapa. Sasa zimekauka, zimezi nini? So this is the way they look like. The clothes are almost dry. So nikuweka tu kwa nini kidogo. Then you repeat the process. Weke tu zote. Hiyo maji usidrain. Hapo tunataka kuweka tusoki tu blanketi zikae hapo. Tuweke omo tuzisoke kesho. Tutazispin. Finye kabisa. Finye ingie by force. Hiyo plastic inajikunja. So unaikunja tu. Hivyo. Cause lazima ijifunge. inamaanisha itashika mita. Either kama nguo zinafaa zikuwe balanced, yani ukiweka our clean clothes haki anakuanga na na itameza itararua hiyo. Siku moja nikulia nini? Si kamisoli yangu imeanguka hapa ati mimi naanika manguo. Iliuma tangu nishuke nichukue imeshararua. Yes, zile